We need to have a serious conversation here. You could just call your friends and say, hey, want to be my wedding party? But that's lame.
We want our friends to flip out when we ask them.
I like what you did there. We are going to teach you to create a flip book to ask your friends to be in your wedding party. And this is super simple. It's like magic because we're standing here, but we're in the book.
Oh man.
It's like an Inception book.
Who's the real you?
You'll never know. Let's get to work. Important materials, go.
You'll need a heavy-duty stapler.
But you need to get staples that are about a 17 to 20 millimeter. Cardstock, because it's a little stiffer.
And a pair of scissors and washi tape.
We also need this.
Do you cut your vegetables on this?
Yeah.
Can I get a cucumber over here? You'll also need a phone that can take burst photos.
You need a computer. You also need a printer. Oh, by the way, you need to pose for the photos that are going to go in your flip book. That's why you need the ability to burst with your phone.
Now that you've taken all of your photos, throw them all into the computer and arrange them 4 to a page.
That's a really good one there too. Most printers are going to print them out in order, but make sure that you have that set because if these print out of order, you might have like 150 photos. That's going to be a mess to try and put them back in.
Ready to print.
Look at that.
Nice. When you're cutting it, leave the border on the left there.
No border on the right, border on the left.
Correct.
Try to make sure everything stays even. And make sure that all this is cut perfectly on the right edge. One at a time.
Last one. Make sure this edge is super straight because that'll help you flip it.
If it's super thick like this, you're gonna have to put staples in from the back as well. Make your staple paste. We have our wishy-washy tape. Wrap this tape around a few times. You wanna make sure it's nice and straight. We'll do a few pieces on the back and then we're gonna finish up to make it look pretty.
There.
Our flip book is complete.
Ready? Will you be in our wedding
party celebration? My gosh, that looks so good.
That's awesome.
That is how easy it can be to do something special for the people in your wedding party.